What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and have you ever not seen results on your Google just like this? Or maybe just like this. This is the how-to schema markup that Google loves. It's perfect for how-to guides. For example, some receipts or some tutorials and things that you do step-by-step things. You have a step, a description, and an image, almost like WikiHow, okay? This is perfect to attract more traffic and Google loves it. But how to create this on your WordPress website, and this is what I'm gonna learn in this video, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. I'm gonna start this tutorial assuming that I already have the Yoast SEO plugin installed on your site. If not, all you have to do is go to plugins on the WordPress dashboard, add new. Into the upper right corner of your screen, type Yoast SEO and install the Yoast SEO plugin. It's free, okay? So nothing to worry. Click on install and activate. Then if you go to one of your posts, you can go to add new, for example, and you're gonna be able to create your how-to post. Enter a title for this post. Enter a description for this post. After of your title and first paragraph, you can click into this plus button to add a block. And right here, we're gonna search for YOAST. And the guide I'm looking for is this one right here, okay? The Yoast How To block. What does it do? First thing, you need to enter with your first step and with the description of this step. And then you need to enter an image to illustrate this step, okay? Just like this, for example, okay? This is of course the first example. Then you can add another step. Enter with the title of the step, the description, and enter with a new image. Simple like this, okay? You can create more steps in the case that you want, and remove the steps in the case that you don't need. Simple, right? There is this plus button that you can make to enter another step. After doing all the steps, you can enter with the time needed to do this step-by-step guide, for example, 2 minutes. Enter the description of this guide, and this is the Google structured data, okay? If you review how the post gonna looks like, let me show you. Into the front page of your site. It's a step-by-step guide, okay? But for Google, it's what is needed to appear into search results like this. Simple, right? After completing all the steps, after reviewing the image, the content, the SEO, all you have to do is publish your content. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!